everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Little C here. Today we'll be doing something that's just a little bit naughty. We'll be pranking my boyfriend with food. I can't wait to do this. He always wakes up in the morning doing his usual routine here and there, but he'll never expect what's coming to him this time. We'll be putting whipped cream in his toothpaste. Now thinking about it, that might make his day. Who knows? Let's go. So now the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it open and clean it up. It's a little bit tricky, so you may wanna like use a spoon or something. Keep it so you know the color of the toothpaste and then you can just replicate it later. I wash it so it's nice and clean. Put the cap on. Now the fun part, a little bit of whipped cream and some food coloring. Try and use a tiny little drop. Mix it up with a spoon. I think there's a little bit of blue there, so I'm gonna add in a little bit of blue coloring. The color is getting there, but it's a bit too dark, so I'm gonna add in a bit more whipped cream. Hopefully that helps. Okay, it lights up a bit. I think that's doable. He shouldn't notice a difference. Use piping bags if you have any, otherwise just use sandwich bags or Ziploc bags. They'll do. Cut the corner and then just fill it in. Once it's done, you close it using a clip like that. See? It just squirted out nice and easy. Now, let the prank begin.
Sour cheese.
You got pranked! It's whipped cream, buddy!
What whipped cream do you say? Do you have a cupcake?
I just want to throw it in your face now. That was actually pretty funny. But as I said, it may have backfired. And it sort of did at the end where he was just like eating it. So I owe him a cupcake now. Have to go and get it. But oh well, guess I have to try better next time. But if you do like it, please give us one big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have other pranks ideas, because I will love to just prank them every single day. And of course, subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, just right there. See y'all next time. Bye!